We are going to draw a circular duct connecting to a rectangular duct. We will use the circular duct drawing commands. Start the circular routing command. Select the type of network, and then the profile size. Then right-click to select the option Connection. The Connections dialog box opens. Choose the appropriate connection. A circular duct onto a rectangular duct. Now select the rectangular duct. AUTOFLUID finds the center line automatically. Now click a second point. The connection is made. Right-click to call the end of the network register option. Choose the direction of the flow. And select the type of register. Specify the dimensions of the plenum colored green and the dimensions of the register, as you can see here and here. Then click OK. The registers appear. Then click to indicate the distance between the register and the arrows. Subsequent clicks will draw new arrows at the same distance as indicated with the first click. When all the arrows are placed, confirm and the command ends.